Office 365 has some helpful math tools. If you go into ClassLink, click on Office 365. You'll need to type your login, which is your username. For example, if your name was Jane Smith, it'd be jsmith, most likely, at stu.chino.k12.ca.us, and then your password. Then click Save. That way, the next time you log in, you won't have to keep re-entering your username, your email, and your password. Once you're in, go to OneNote. It's the purple icon with the N. And we're going to create a new notebook. And I'm just going to call this Math Practice. And click Create. This may take a moment or two, and you may get a What's New screen. Just click Got It. Notebook is empty, so I'm going to hit Enter to create a new section. Or I can click on Plus Section in the bottom left. Give it a title. Now I'm ready to start using the math tools. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Draw at the top. And you'll notice you'll see some pens here. And I could write out a math problem. And then I simply click on the math tool at the top. This gives me some directions for getting started with math. And I can see that I wrote out the equation. However, I forgot to select the equation. So I'm going to choose the select box, highlight the equation, and now click Math. And that's exactly what I want, Ink to Math. And now I'm going to select it. Click the Math tool. Now select an action, and I want to evaluate it. It gives me the answer. It shows the steps, which in this case is a fairly simple problem. And I can generate a practice quiz where it will create a quiz with more problems along the same pattern. You'll notice you also have this icon. That's the immersive reader icon. It will open up those instructions and you can have them read aloud, or even click the book to translate into another language. To get back, click the arrow at the top left and you're back in your notebook. You can create multiple pages with different problems. So let's try another one. Let's close the math tool. Let's make it a little bit more difficult. 3x minus 7 equals 15. Again, I choose the Select tool, select the problem, click Math. Oops. Select, click Math. Select an action, and I want to solve for x. It solves it, and it will show me the steps for solving a linear equation, and also generate a practice quiz.